I want to make a video on ticker symbol SOLY on why I see an opportunity on SOLY. Yesterday, SOLY was the #1 stock yesterday, going from almost $12 all the way up to $19.50. And then the next day, everybody forgot about SOLY and put their focus on a new stock. I've seen this happen a lot of times with stocks, and it's all about remembering. So real quick, SOLY has a float of 4.8 million. Its average true range is almost $2.50. When a stock has a high ATR, I'm going to be paying attention to it. As soon as the market opens on SOLY, it opens right at the $17 level right there. And then it's just trending down, making lower highs, and it's making lower lows. Like this channel here going back and forth, just trending down, coming all the way down to the $16 level right here. And when a stock is trending down like this at the beginning of the day, what I like to try to look for is for it to quickly reverse from trending down to trending up. And that's what this did. It was trending down, and then it quickly reversed and started trending up, making higher lows and higher highs right there, also creating at the $17 level right there, coming all the way down, a big U shape. That's what I like to look for. And it comes all the way up to the $17 area right here. It's holding above VWAP, showing strength, and it breaks above 17, and this surged all the way up to 1750, up to where it was hanging around pre-market right there. That's, to me, is an easy play that I like to try to look out for. Volume quickly moved on to another play and was overcrowding the other play. What I'm doing psychologically is I'm looking at what was hot yesterday or the previous day. If there's still smart money hanging around those stocks, and that's when you'll see the stocks will move a lot more fluent and better because it's not overcrowded. Everybody's on the same page and seeing the exact same thing that you're seeing. If you're used to looking at charts every day, putting it all together, and you're just all piggybacking it. You could see here the volume was just trending down and down and down and down, getting weaker and weaker as it was trending down. I want to look for that reversal. Got it right there. I missed it from $16 all the way up to $17. That could have been a strategy in itself, riding it up $1. And then it popped even more, $1.50 more. So a nice $1.50 range right there from 940, and it topped out at 950. So 10 minutes it took for this stock to go from $16 to $17.50. And then it failed, coming back down to this just below $17, surged all the way down, making a new low on the day, and then getting tighter and tighter right here over time, right up to the 1650 level, and then crossing above the VWAP and grinding all the way up to 1770. A nice $2 move right there to the upside. So it's just all about how you look at charts. And one more other thing that you might not have seen is when it had this big surge down right here to the new low on the day, just below $16, it formed a really, really tight triangle right here at this whole mental level 16 level and broke above 16, and this thing ran up to 1625. Came back down to 16. 16's holding as support, and this thing moved all the way back up to 1630. back down to 16, right back up to 1630, back and forth, slowly making higher lows, getting that momentum, pushing up to the VWAP, pushing over the VWAP. Now it's holding VWAP, showing strength, and off it goes, and up it trends all the way up. Little notices like that, paying attention, really zoning in on a stock and seeing the strength of it. You see all this big volume right here at the beginning of the day, and then it just like goes sideways, and then it just, look at all this buying momentum just slowly taking off and going up with it. That's what I'm talking about. After the end of the day, take a picture of this chart, save it, document it, because it will happen again in the future. And that's how I spotted somewhat of this right here. Noticing it happen in the past, studying it, and then when I see it happen again in the future, I remember what it did in the past and just taking advantage of it. That's what it's all about.